Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro price in Pakistan starting from Rs 278,640 to Rs 340,560. Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro has released in January 2024 with 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED, 165Hz display, Android 14 OS, triple rear and 32MP front camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm, chipset, 16GB RAM/24GB RAM and 512GB ROM/1TB ROM, 5500 mAh LiPo battery with 65W wired charging. Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro specifications. Basic info. Brand: Asus. Model: ROG Phone 8 Pro. Status: available. Release date: 2024, January. Body. Dimensions: 163.8 by 76.8 by 8.9 mm, 6.45 by 3.02 by 0.35 in. Weight: 225 g, 7.94 ounces. Colors: Phantom Black. Body material: glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, glass back, Gorilla Glass, aluminum frame. SIMs: Dual SIM, Nano SIM, Dual Standby. Water and dust. IP68 dust/water resistant, up to 1.5 m for 30 minutes. 341 mini LED programmable matrix on the back. Pressure sensitive zones, gaming triggers. Display. Size: 6.78